Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22, and today I will show you how easy you can download and install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you have to open Play Store, tap on the search bar and type Green Apple Keyboard. We have to get this application. Click to open, tap to enable in the settings, click on the switcher, then click OK for the 2 times. Next, just go back and click to switch input methods and switch for English United States Green Apple Keyboard. Then click finish. Let's turn off this ad. And right now let's take a look. As you can see, our keyboard theme has changed and it looks almost identical like on iPhone. So as you can see, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.